everyone! Today, we're going to learn how to create a histogram chart in Microsoft PowerPoint on Windows 11. Histograms are super useful. They help us understand the distribution of numerical data. Think of it like this. A histogram shows how often different values appear in your data set, grouping them into bins or ranges. It's a fantastic way to visualize patterns and frequencies. Let's dive right into the steps to make one quickly and easily. First, you need to have your numerical data ready. You'll typically have a single column of numbers that you want to analyze. Once your data is prepared, open Microsoft PowerPoint. Start with a blank slide or an existing one where you want your chart to appear. Go to the Insert tab at the top of the PowerPoint window. Look for the Charts button and click on it. This will open the Insert Chart dialog box. On the left side of this dialog box, you'll see a list of different chart types. Scroll down and find Statistical. Under Statistical, you will see the histogram option. Select histogram and then click OK. PowerPoint will now insert a sample histogram chart onto your slide and open a small Excel-like spreadsheet. This is where you'll input your own data. Replace the sample numbers in the first column with your actual numerical data. You only need one column of data for a basic histogram. Once you've entered your data, you can close this Excel window. Your histogram will automatically update with your data. Now, let's customize it to make it look great and convey the right information. Right-click on the horizontal axis of your histogram, the one with the number ranges. Select Format Axis from the context menu. A Format Axis pane will open on the right side of your screen. Under Axis Options, you'll see Settings for Bins. Here, you can choose how your data is grouped. Automatic is the default, but you can also select bin width to define the size of each bin, or number of bins to specify how many bars you want. You can also set overflow bin and underflow bin for values that fall outside your main range. Next, let's make the bars touch, which is typical for a histogram. Right-click on any of the bars in your chart. Select Format Data Series. In the Format Data Series pane that appears, find the gap width option. Change the gap width to 0%, 0%. This will make the bars touch, giving it the traditional histogram appearance. You might also want to add a thin border to the bars for better visual separation. You can do this in the same Format Data Series pane under the Fill and Line section. Finally, add a clear chart title and axis labels. Click on the plus sign icon next to your chart to open Chart Elements. Check Chart Title and Axis Titles to add these. Then, click on the placeholders to type in your specific titles and labels. This makes your histogram easy to understand. And that's it! You've successfully created and customized a histogram in PowerPoint. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment with any questions, and share it with others who might benefit. Your support helps us create more content like this. See you next time.